Most professionals spend years sharpening their skills at work, polishing them day after day, giving their best to every task. But here is a shocking truth. Those same skills are probably worth more to strangers on the internet than to your boss only. Think about that for a second. You have invested time, effort, energy mastering what you do. Reward never quite matches the value you bring. Now imagine what if you could take the exact things you already do, the reports, the presentations, the designs, the meetings, the systems you have mastered, and turn them into an extra 500 a month. Not by quitting your job, not by taking big risks, not by starting something completely new, and definitely not by working endless extra hours, just by learning how to package what you already know in a way that others can benefit from it. Sounds a little bit unbelievable, right? I get it, but stay with me. Let me show you how possible it actually is. Now, I know exactly what's running through your mind right now. Can this really work for me when I barely have time after 9 to 5 work? What's that one mistake that's keeping me stuck in the cycle of just earning a salary? And honestly, those are the right questions to ask. Because if those thoughts are crossing your mind, it means you care about your growth. You are just unsure how to make it happen without sacrificing your stability. So if that's you, you are exactly where you need to be right now. Because by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to take one skill you already use in your job, package it strategically and turn it into a 500 per month side hustle. And you will see how to do it without quitting your job, without burning out, and without needing to start from zero or spend on fancy marketing tools. Okay, my name is Iram Zishan. I work full time as an architect, but on the side, I have built a steady online business using nothing more than my experiences and my skills. My very first side hustle didn't come from some big complicated idea. It started just from my experiences. I started sharing on YouTube how I got my job in Dubai, what problems I faced, and I started sharing all this online on YouTube. Videos are still there on my channel. If you want, you can go through and watch them. With all these videos, people started asking me for help. And I started helping them for free through email, through Zoom call. And one day, one job seeker who wanted a job in Dubai, he asked me, ma'am, I want to pay you. Please help me how to get job in Dubai. Please clarify my doubt and please guide me how to make my CV, or you please write my CV. And that's where it started. And then once they got job in Dubai, they started referring me to other friends, other colleagues, and that's how I started earning and my business started working. And at the same time, some of my clients who got job in Dubai, they further contacted me and asked, ma'am, I got job in my desired company, but the problem is I don't feel it's safe. Anytime they can fire me. So I want a backup plan. And then I told them, you can package your expertise into an online, maybe a digital product or maybe services. And that's how they started doing along with their full-time job. They're still working in Dubai, but they have packaged their expertise, they have packaged their skills into a digital product, and few of them are giving online services. It has increased their monthly income without quitting their jobs. Let's break this down into 3 clear steps. But before we do, I want you to know something important. This is not just a list of random tips. Each step connects directly to a situation you are likely experience at work. And once you see it differently, the entire game changes. So let's talk about step 1. Think about your workplace for a moment. There's always one thing people know you for. That one skill, that one task, everyone turns to you for. Solving problem, clarifying something confusing, or fixing what others struggles with. And here is where most people miss the magic. That thing you see as just part of your job could actually be something incredibly valuable to others. Inside your office, it feels ordinary because you do it so naturally. But outside those walls, that same thing might be a huge challenge for someone else. That's the moment the perspective shifts. Because use it means your first side hustle idea doesn't come from chasing new opportunities or brainstorming endlessly. It comes from recognizing the value of what's already in front of you. So how to do it? Start by identifying that one skill people already rely on you for. That's exactly your seed. your starting point. Your starting point for a side hustle that can easily bring in $500 a month. The next step. When I created my first online product, it was not something revolutionary or completely different. It was simply a smarter way to deliver what I was already doing. See, at work, most of us operate one to one. One person asks for help, we help. Another needs support, we assist again. It's always one to one repeating the same effort every single time. But when it comes to creating a side income, the mindset has to shift. The goal is not to create more work. It's to create leverage. Instead of repeating the same task again and again, you find a way to do it once in a structured, useful format and then let it help many people. That's how you stop working harder and start working smarter. And that's what I did. I started writing CVs for each and every person. Then I created a digital product that is CV template. It is a complete kit. By doing so, I saved my time because many people don't want my services to write their CV. They just want a format. Now, package your daily know-how into something reusable. It could be a process, a guide, a checklist, or a template or framework. Once it's created, it continues to serve others. And that's where freedom begins. Next step, most people overlook. People don't actually pay for knowledge, okay? Online, everything is available. If knowledge was enough, everything we need is already free on Google or YouTube. What people truly pay for is speed, the ability to skip the trial and error, avoid mistakes, and research their goals faster. That's why you package your skills. You should not frame it as information. Instead, position it as a shortcut to the result, something that saves time, effort, and energy for others. The real question to ask yourself is not, what do I know? It's, what outcome does my knowledge help others achieve faster? That's where the real value lies. Always frame your package skill as a shortcut to results because that's what people truly investing in. Now I know this process can sound like a lot to figure out. Spotting your skills, packaging it, framing it, and it's okay to feel that way. You don't need to do it alone. I have been guiding professionals through this step by step process, and many of them built their very first offer in less than 7 days while still managing their full time jobs. If you want that same level of clarity, just email me at iramzishanmeman@gmail.com. It's coming on the screen. I'll personally help you map out exactly how to package your existing skill without wasting months trying to figure it out yourself. Let's pause. Here's what just happened. You discovered your seed skill, the one people already recognize you for. You learn how to package it once, so you don't keep repeating the same work again and again. And you now understand that people buy results, not random information. That's your foundation, the core of your first $500 a month. And the best part, you don't have to leave your job or gamble with your savings or chase every new online trend. You already have the tools, the experiences, and the credibility. You just need to present them differently. That's it. So here's a bigger truth. That first $500 is not just about extra income. It's about validation. It's about finally realizing that your skills are valuable beyond your job. That the online world is not fake. It works when you apply it right. That you don't have to wait for years for promotions or someone else's approval to feel accomplished. Once you earn that first $500, it changes something deep inside you because now you know it's possible. And once it's possible, it's repeatable. $500 become $1,000, then 2,000, then more. But it all begins with that one moment of clarity, that first package that proves your skills can create impact and income beyond your office walls. So here's what I want you to do this week. Grab a notebook and take 5 quiet minutes to reflect. Ask yourself, what's the one thing people always come to me for at work? Write it down. Don't overthink it. That's your starting point. It's okay. Don't think everything and take your time. And if you want my personal guidance in turning that skill into something you can actually sell online, something that runs alongside your 9 to 5, send me an email at iramzishanmeman@gmail.com. I personally read and respond to my emails. And I will help you map it out step by step because you don't need to quit your job to build freedom online. You just need to start where you are right now using what you already know. And if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.